Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm feeling much better. I'm still dizzy, but I'm much better. I just bent down to get a new thing of paper towels. I forgot I ain't supposed to bend down, and so I get dizzy all over again. But anyway, I'm getting ready to air fry some catfish. I'm not going to fix all of this right now. So, I buy it from Pete's. They're the freshest catfish. So this is a whole catfish and it's cut in steaks already. See how it's sliced? Nice. And I'll be using my Lefty spices. Fish and chicken mix. It's really good. Because I'll be marinating. We're putting this on my fish. Yellow mustard. Then I'll be spraying the fish after it's breaded with some, what's in here? I'm not sure if it's avocado oil or olive oil. One or the other. And I'll be using my shaker breader bowl. Okay? It's made like this. I might as well put the breading in here now. People always ask about this bowl. Put the bread in here. It comes with a little cage thing. It's here. So the bread can sink to the bottom. I don't need all this. I don't want this to go up my nose. So there's the breading down there. If I need more, I'll add more. So what you do is you add your meat on that cage thing. Put the lid on and then hold it good and shake. And it evenly coats your chicken or your fish or pork chops or whatever. So I'm going to rinse this fish off and I'll be back. Well, this is what we're having with it. Deli style potato wedges. They're already seasoned. So I'm going to fix these and squash this air fry after the fish gets done. Okay. That's it. I'll be back. Okay, here's my fish. And I've already towel blotted it dry. Some mustard on it. Well, that's enough. And I think I'm going to use this lemon pepper all-purpose seasoning. It's just a little in here. You know the breading is seasoned. I want the fish to be seasoned. Put on the glove. So I can smush all the seasoning and the mustard. My hand is damp. I don't want to go in this glove. Walter don't like these kind of pieces. He just likes the steaks. Like that. I said I like these pieces too. I mean, I like it all, but he can't just have what he like, and I can't get none. So I'm putting fish in here. In the breader shaker bowl. A little bitty piece. Okay. top on it. Shake it. Hold the lid, hold this little ledge up under here and shake. Nicely coated. Try not to sneeze, y'all. There's some red pepper up in there. I'm using my Paula Deen 10-quart air fryer. It's made like this. Okay, it's made like this. It has this insert. I'm gonna put a pan down here. Just a minute. Putting this pan down here. And this has legs where you can use the crisper tray either in the high position or the low position. Let's see what I'm going to do. Putting it in the high position. See, it's up here. I'm going to spray the crisper. I don't want my fish to stick. And pull all that good breading off. Shake off the excess. Another couple pieces up in here. You. Braid it good enough? No. Okay. Okay, put this in here. I'm gonna add some more breading for when I get ready to fix this. That's all the fish I'm cooking for right now. That looks enough for us for right now. I'm gonna spray it. Oh no. out from the wall. Turn it on. It says fish. I never used the fish setting. No. 400 for how many minutes? Let me see how many minutes that is. I think it may take 18 minutes. I'm not sure. We'll see. So, in the meanwhile, I'll put these fries in here. Let me see if this thing clean. This Walter's air fryer. Yeah. Why don't he use a thing in the bottom? Yeah. Down there. Okay, this is clean. I'm not going to run both these air fryers at the same time. These fries will just be in here ready to go. I mean, I can't cut a bag with these shears I cut chicken with. Come on now. Walter's a fry person. That's enough. I'm a carnivore. I'm a meat person. Okay. We'll spray these. They're already seasoned. Okay, I'll be back, y'all. Okay, the fish has been cooking for 15 minutes. I'm gonna check it. It's done to me. So it looks, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna plate it up and I'll be back. Okay, here's my catfish. Cooked for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I didn't flip it. Let's see what the back of it. It's hot. Well, it's nice and crispy. I'm going to do a taste test. Okay, now the fries are cooking in the other air fryer. Got me a basket of fish, y'all. Broke off a little piece. Steaming hot. That wasn't good enough. Broke off another little piece. Y'all hear the crispiness? It's good, it's spicy, it's tender, flaky, crispy, seasoned, and it's good without hot sauce. But hot sauce goes on fish, so I'm putting some hot sauce on my fish. So, I want to thank you all for watching. The fries are cooking. I don't care nothing about no fries. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Bye.